Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up TP-Link BE6500 Wi-Fi 7 range extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the TP-Link BE6500 Wi-Fi 7 range extender is a powerful device designed to boost and expand your home Wi-Fi coverage. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, plug the BE6500 extender into a wall socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Close distance ensures stable connection during setup. Wait for Power LED solid on. This means the extender has fully started. On your mobile or laptop, open Wi-Fi settings, find the extender's default Wi-Fi name, SSID, usually TP-Link_extender or TP-Link_BE6500. Tap to connect. No password is required, default network is open during setup. Once connected, your device will say connected, no internet. This is normal. Open any web browser, Chrome, Safari, Edge, and enter http://tplinkrepeater.net or http://192.168.0.254. Press enter. You will now see the TP-Link setup wizard. You must create a new login password for the extender. This is not your Wi-Fi password. It is only used to log into the extender's admin page. Enter password or confirm password. Click Start/Next. The extender will now scan all Wi-Fi signals around you. You will see your router's 2.4 GHz network or your router's 5 GHz per 6 GHz, Wi-Fi June 7th, networks. Other nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select the networks you want to extend. For best performance, extend both bands. Check 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz. If your router supports Wi-Fi 7, choose the highest band available. Click Next. Enter your router Wi-Fi password. You will now be asked to enter your main router's Wi-Fi password. Enter it exactly as used on your phone/PC Wi-Fi. If this password is wrong, the extender will not connect. Click Next. You can choose how you want your extended Wi-Fi name to appear. Option A, recommended: use the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, as your router or use a different name, like Home Wi-Fi_EXT, 2.4 GHz, or Home Wi-Fi_5G_EXT, faster band. Good if you want to manually choose networks. Click Save/Apply. The BE6500 will now reboot. LEDs will turn off on connect. This takes 30 to 60 seconds after reboot. The extender should now be connected to your router. Now your TP-Link BE6500 Wi-Fi 7 range extender is fully set up. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.